Hello, I am representing Group 2. The members are Pramila and Pravina. So, we have selected SBC for management of real-time task for the assignment. The OS installed is Linux, that is Ubuntu 18. On top of this is Python installed. The single board computer as shown here is a PCM 3365. The CPU Intel quad core 1.83 GHz processor system. Memory is DDR RAM up to 8 GB and the cache of 2 MB. It has expansion interface of PC 104 bus and PCI 104 bus. The Ethernet interface of 100 GB is also supported. Apart from this, RS-232, SATA, USB and other interfaces are also supported. The power to the SBC, here you can see the SBC. The power to the SBC is given through SMPS via ATX cable. The monitor is connected. There are various ports to this SBC, VGA port, USB, VGA port, USB, and this is the ATX cable. So monitor is also connected to this SBC through the VGA connector. The keyboard as well as the mouse is connected through the USB ports. The board used in this application is also attached here, is attached here along with the single board computer. The board chosen is having the front end INAs, ADCs, RAMs, onboard FPGA as well as single board computer mounted over it. FPGA is programmed through JTAG connector, as you can see, JTAG debugger. The programming is done using VSDL language for implementation of all the control logics and the read-write. These are the VSDL core programming. So VSDL program for implementing control logics and acquiring the process signal and storing the data memory in the local memory of the board and thereafter to the single board computer. The application utility is made using Python 3.6.9. SBC has Ubuntu based Linux OS. The GUI program is made in Python 3.6.9 for acquiring and monitoring of data. The data is inducted from the board by accessing the port IO drivers. The GUI and plotting utility is implemented through the tkinter matplot library. Finally, the data storage is done in the .txt or .mat format on local machine. Here a function generator is used for giving 5 volt square wave with an offset of 2.5 volt square wave and 1 kilohertz frequency using function generator. Here you can see the signal is coming from BNC and going to this board. This is INA, ADC, RAM, and then we can use this utility for acquiring this signal. The signal is acquired, a square wave, and we can zoom it and we can see it is 0 to 5 volt as was given in from the function generator with a frequency of 1 kilohertz. Now again, this second time we are showing the utility, the functionality of the application utility using the DC signal. So in the function generator we have set a DC voltage of 3 volt. So usually the DC voltages are the outputs of the many sensors up because they give in the range of 0 to 10 volts. So we have made this type of signal using the function generator, and again in the utility now in the application utility, this DC signal can be acquired and can be shown on the screen. This is a 3 volt signal is being echoed on the screen as given from the function generator.